Hey yo, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Caution. Today we're doing Cup of Focus. I pressed the wrong fucking button. Whoops. Let's try that again. Focus. That's very fucking ironic, wasn't it? Oh boy. My pulse thrumming through my ears, and for a moment everything feels too clear. Is the world is nearing into a single blinding point? Fucking number one, English. Two, punctuations, please? That was a period followed by a question mark. I'm so confused. Oh, sweet Lord and Jesus. Alright, that is a patchwork cat mascot. Let's see. Okay, at least it wasn't the fucking teeth. It was actually her, which I'm fine with. And alright, that is the Cup of Focus. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for this video. Bye bye.